Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we'll learn how to use the past indefinite tense with 30 practical sentences for daily life. These examples will help you improve your English fluency. So, let's get started. Morning routine 1. I woke up early in the morning. 2. She brushed her teeth before breakfast. 3. He took a shower and got ready for work. 4. We ate pancakes for breakfast. 5. I packed my school bag quickly. 6. They left for school at 8 a.m. 7. She watered the plants in the garden. 8. He read the newspaper while having tea. 9. I cleaned my room before leaving. 10. They caught the bus on time. Work and study 11. I completed my homework last night. 12. She submitted her project to the teacher. 13. He attended a meeting with his boss. 14. They studied for their exams until late. 15th. I practiced English speaking with my friend. 16. She wrote an essay on environmental issues. 17. He joined a new course to learn coding. 18. They discussed the project in detail. 19. I prepared a presentation for my class. 20. We finished our group assignment together. Evening routine 21. I cooked dinner for the entire family. 22. She cleaned the kitchen after cooking. 23. He played football in the park. 24. They went shopping at the mall. 25. I called my friend and had a long conversation. 26. She watched her favorite movie last night. 27th. He read a chapter from his book. 28th. We planned a trip for the weekend. 29th. I listened to music to relax. 30. They slept early to wake up on time. These are some examples of past indefinite tense sentences you can use to describe your daily activities. Practice these to improve your spoken English. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more learning tips.